Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a money related phrases and idioms. I can explain it all one by one. First one is read money, which means cash money. For example, do you have read money to make the payment? Second one is save a bundle, which means save a lot of money. For example, if you buy a cycle through a dealer, you can save a bundle. Third one is in red, which means in debt. For example, Ram is in the red. Fourth one is cost an arm and leg, which means be very expensive. For example, the antique piece is cost an arm and leg. Next one is in pocket, which means with money. For example, he is in pocket nowadays. Next one is on the rocks, which means no money. For example, he is generally on the rocks during the last few days of the month. Next one is a good round sum, which means a large sum of money. For example, he loves to spend a good round sum on buying dress. Next one is cut back, which means spend less. For example, we should consume electricity were necessary to cut back the bill. Next one is live hand to mouth, which means have just money to live on and nothing extra. For example, my father earns less, so we live hand to mouth. Next one is splash out, which means spend money freely. For example, if you really want to splash out, let's go to tour. Next one is out of pocket, which means without money. For example, he is out of pocket nowadays. Next one is raise money, which means earn or request money for a project or a charity. For example, the boys are raising money to pay for trip to China. Last one is born with silver spoon in mouth, which means born in wealthy family. For example, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born with silver spoon in mouth.